Brian used to spend 6 hours editing every single YouTube video, cutting footage, tweaking audio, obsessing over every little detail like it actually mattered, and guess what? It didn't. His videos barely got views, and he was more burned out than a $7 candle. Now, he doesn't film, he doesn't edit, he doesn't even speak, and somehow, YouTube still pays him more than ever. I've built multiple YouTube channels just like Brian's using automation and one tool: no recording, no editing, just results. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works so you can stop wasting time pretending CapCut is your friend. Here's the truth. Most people don't actually want to become YouTubers. They want the result. They want to post content, grow a channel, and get paid without turning their life into a full-time video production studio. This system gives you fully finished, high-retention, 8-minute videos that are ready to post and built for monetization. No learning curve, no headache, just upload and walk away. The software is called Channel Makr. It gives you human-looking avatars that talk like real people in any niche you want. You choose a niche, pick an avatar, and boom, you get a ready-to-upload video that looks like it was made by a pro team. But spoiler, it wasn't. It's just smart automation built for people who actually value their time. Let me show you how it works. Click the link down in the description to go to the app. Once you're on the Channel Makr homepage, you'll see that you have up to 13 categories to choose from. Each category gives you an 8-minute video for you to upload to YouTube. As I mentioned earlier, no editing. Our video editing team does the work for you. All you do is hit the upload button. Let me show you. Let's pick the financial education niche. Each month, more and more avatars will be available for you to use. Let's pick Victor. Just to show you how realistic these videos are, let's listen.
I'm Victor from Channel Makr. You no longer have to worry about stepping in front of the camera or spending years mastering content creation. Leave that to me. I'll create an 8-minute high-quality financial education talking video for you. Once your video is complete, we'll send it over to your email to download. And as a bonus, we'll give you the YouTube title and video description with keywords, tags, and hashtags to start generating views on YouTube. I'll do all the work. So let's work together for your next video.
It's literally that simple. Each time you purchase a video, you'll get a different video every time. In that way, you can stay consistent on YouTube with new, fresh content. You can post as much as you want. Consistency is how our students are getting monetized so fast. Who wants to spend 6 hours editing one video at a time? You can do it at a fraction of the cost of paying someone else to make the same content. Let me show you the math. The cost of hiring a scriptwriter is going to cost you anywhere from $40 to $100. And that's if you want a video that's going to have good retention. And let's not forget the cost of hiring someone to take your script and turn it into a video. This will cost you anywhere from $125 to $300 plus. Who has the time or money to pay for one video at these prices? And for those of you who will spend 8 hours editing one video, you're out of your mind. You'll be burned out by month 2. Stop overcomplicating the process and use Channel Makr. We're limiting access to the first 100 people this month because our team can only crank out so many video requests at once. So if you want in, now's the time. If not, good luck fighting the YouTube algorithm with your iPhone and burnout. See you in the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.